My name is Kate Smith and I'm the Artistic Director of Skeleton Key Theatre. While we're waiting, we're just going to play a little warm-up game. The Flow Project is a project that we conceived of a few years ago in partnership with Ottawa Riverkeeper.
We really wanted to do something with young people in the community around water protection, environment, and the arts. Over the year, we started talking about this flow workshop, this idea that rivers are always flowing, and how does that shape our landscape, how does that shape our relationships with the land.
So we're bringing in this project a scientific perspective through the Riverkeeper, and then Skeleton Key Theatre is bringing the artistic perspective. So you're going to start by doing an action. Being an artist and being a storyteller is very powerful, and it gives them that power and that ability to convince people and to talk to people and communicate why it is so critically important at this time that we all work together, because everything is so interconnected and really our survival is dependent on us working together.
I'm really excited about community partnerships with schools. I know there's so much pressure on schools to do so many things, and there's all these people in our communities that can come around and support the schools to bring different knowledge, different experiences for the students. It's been a long 2 years with COVID, so to really bring this experience together and have that support and to show that there's so many other ways of being in the world.
Skeleton Key Theatre and Ottawa Riverkeeper coming together in partnership with MASK on this project is so exciting to have these three organizations working towards this common goal that really does integrate the arts and the science and the conservation efforts that Ottawa Riverkeeper are working at. I think that if everybody just did what they were good at and we all did it for this common reason, which was to take care of our planet, that we would be in a really good spot.